Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. As you guys know, in this video we will explain the trades we provided in the free group and the VIP group. This video is all about the trades, and I will explain the logic we use to provide these signals. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, so go and check it out. The first trade was on EURUSD for a downside move in the free group. You can see that the previous green candle left a wick. There was a clear downtrend, and the moving average was also present. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was a clean win. Moving on to the next trade, which we provided on CHFJPY for an upside move in the VIP group. You can clearly see the support level here, which is why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was also a clean win. Now moving on to the next trade, which we provided on EURJPY for a downside move. Here's the logic. There was a resistance level, and you can notice that the previous green candle left a wick. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was also a clean win, so we won 3 non-martingale trades successfully. If you want to avail of these signals and join us, the link is available in the description, so go and check it out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics, doubts, or suggestions, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.